Some is in jail in Dubai right now. Do you know what you're in jail for?
No.
Being loud in public. You out here in America, they want you insane out here. They want you to think you can yell at the top of your lungs to anybody and up the atmosphere and the energy and everything in the world.
I'm trying to get my teeth stretched. I'm trying to get my teeth stretched and eating as we be eating today in London. Period, baby. I'm trying to get this stretched.
American girls, when y'all go out this country, y'all find out Brittany Griner's story was just publicized. Black women in Russia are lost in a jail cell right now.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
Tight girls, do it big, girl. You know you bomb. Richie about to spoil you and show you off. Let's go.
We got a Houston woman arrested in Dubai. Passports. Oh my goodness. What does she do, man?
A Houston woman is being detained in Dubai.
She was charged with screaming. She was a passenger in a friend's rental car, and they got into an accident. Went to the company to retrieve her ID, credit card, and other items.
She dealt with a very aggressive individual, a young man there who was screaming at her.
Back.
Don't think you're gonna talk shit.
I'm gonna act like that.
And run off.
I'm gonna act like that.
Cause you're a
Guys, I need you running to the post office like right now. It's that bad.
Baxter says her 29-year-old daughter ultimately yelled back at the rental car agent, she says, resulting in her being charged for screaming.
You females better learn how to respect the laws of the land.
But if you notice, they talked all of that mess about passport bros and leaving and good riddance and all that.
Take your overseas with your broke. Because 95% of y'all that go over there to get those women, y'all ain't got a pot to piss in. So y'all finna go over there and fool some of them Asians and Chinese women. Because you know you can't fool us American women no more. So you're going to go over there because you said they're more submissive. They this, they that. Let me tell you something. Now, I don't want to get my platform shut down, but let me tell you something. You sorry son. Sorry. Get you a woman that don't know no better. She don't know nothing but to smile and lay down and take your shit and listen to your lie. Because a lot of these women in America, they ain't going to put up with your shit.
But now they're starting to come now. They're following us now. Now they're talking about, hey, you know, I'm getting my what they say, passport princesses or something. Anything we do, they're gonna follow. Anything we do, we play basketball, they want to play basketball. If we do anything that got a sexiness to it or something that's cool, you see they playing tackle football. You know what I mean? You see, it's a pick and choose type of thing. And we already know what's going on in Jamaica.
What we learned from that investigation was that ABWs, they talk about the passport bros and they're traveling to third world countries, taking advantage of foreign women. And then in reality, there are news articles and books and testimonials that prove that ABWs for at least the past 30 years have been traveling to Cameroon, Jamaica, and the Bahamas and paying men for, including age boys. And see now, they don't want to talk about that. Many female tourists have a fantasy about renting a black man for a week. You hear that? These scandalous hoe cakes have been telling you guys that you're so wrong, but they've been doing this for years. It's an industry down there. Having sexual intercourse, authentic Bob Marley, right?
Shout out to Dennis Sperling, who gave up all the game of what's been going on in Jamaica. Talk bad about the passport bros, but boy, they getting it in Jamaica from what I understand.
Get me out of Jamaica, because these niggas said they don't eat pussy, and his lady don't respect her if you want him to eat pussy. Ziggy Marley, that's why you paddling alone, because you're not eating pussy. You rather stay here to eat pussy. Well, then you don't want a green card. Eat some pussy and get a green card. Eat some pussy, yeah.
She tried that Matrix vibe, and it was like, nah, this ain't the Matrix. We don't get down like that. If a woman raised her voice at a man in Thailand, would she go to jail?
No, not go. But some people just call police for talk, you know. Lady don't know man, man don't know lady. Man to look, what happened? You crazy?
I told you not to spray me! I told you not to spray me!
You like crazy. Why you don't know people? Why you yak, you know?
Oh, they think you just crazy, huh? Yes. Then they call the police.
Yeah, they call police. Tell you not sure about you safe, you know.
Right, so they just think people crazy when they be screaming and yelling because nobody wants to see a Thai prison, man. I'm telling y'all, man, and I've heard about Thai prisons, man. You don't want to act up out here.
The do's and don'ts about visiting here next year. Can you guys say I want you guys to experience with me what's happening on the other side of the world. But you have to pay attention to the whole message, guys. I'm going to keep saying it over and over so you guys understand. There's rules to this shit. It's not like America where you can do what you want, when you want, say what you want, and act how you want. So you better behave. That means respect. Not being loud and belligerent, not bringing a bunch of attention to yourself. Man, that's not going to work, dude. You're going to look like a straight-up clown. My job is to lay it out for you, where all you have to do is just enjoy yourself and run for the touchdown. I'm going to have all kind of disclaimers before you sign up stating if you go outside the rules and regulations and you get jammed up, you automatically forfeit your package and you will be left in the hands of the Thai government. Now, I can't do nothing for you, man. Do yourself a favor and go on Netflix or YouTube and watch a movie about Thai prisons. They don't play out here. All right, now let's get back to the fun part. If you're serious about coming out here or you just want to live vicariously through me, make sure you join the Zoom to Thailand Instagram as well so I can keep you updated on things that'll show you other things I'm not showing you on the YouTube channel. I'm not saying this place is utopia, but if you want to relieve 90% of your stress, this is one of the best places to do it. And if you want a one-on-one with me, I do private consults as well. Fellas, if you're going through a bad breakup or a divorce, this place is like therapy for you. Even if you can only stay for a week, if you follow my guidelines and information, you will experience not only what I'm showing you, but you'll go back home with a totally different mind state.
There you go, L. Let them know. Let them know.
Hey! Zoom to Thailand. Hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
And if you haven't joined yet, you should also consider joining our Patreon, where I can show you the things I can't show you on YouTube, as well as discounts on merchandise, consultations, throwback DJ mixes I made for you to listen, drive, and work out to. And most important, by joining the Patreon, you'll be able to get in direct contact with the Travel OG. You dig? Memberships start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Oh yeah, and you might also want to join just to support your boy and keep the movement going. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.